Everybody, Jim King back out here in Kansas City, Missouri. I got my A-team out here. We've got a little project here. This stone retaining wall right here, got a garage door going down to the way this is. You pull in here and you pull in the garage from the back side. This stone wall is leaning in. Can't pull a car in right now. So we're going to take this stone wall down, disassemble it, clean the stone, and we're going to pour a new footing in there, which there's no footing now. And we're going to rebuild it with a new capstone. Over here we're going to take this block wall down. Walk over here with me. This wall right here is leaning. We're going to take it down and totally rebuild it. We're going to stabilize that floor right there and move this section right here. Push this back. For all your foundation repair needs, stay with us. King Piers, Kansas City, 816-521-8915. You can always go to my website, kingpiers.com. Thank you.